Model, 59-plate Renault Master Medium Wheelbase, Special Edition MM35 2.5dci MOT'D camper needs body, grey, camper mileage, 189,526 MOT, the 22nd of January 2024 engine, 2464 cc FDC1H6A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, power steering pump will need replacing condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. This is the cleanest 59-plate van I have seen in the last 2 years. It is part camper converted, only needs a little tweaking to be 100%, already 99% complete features, 2 former keepers, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.